Ну, в основному, виходить, багато тренувань і радянського БК багато. Треба переробляти. Ворога треба чимось затримувати. Ну, а так переробляємо в основному БК для живої сили противника і, виходить, піхота в основному зараз і техніка. Працюємо на лабораторії, нас тут 10-15 чоловік.
My name is Raptor. I'm from Malaysia. This is kind of like a small lab, really. We don't have it big. As you can see here, the munitions. We just prepping them for like drone droppers and stuff. That right in there. That's a spring and a needle in it, and this is the safety. And we'll attach this to here. This here is C4, and here is where we'll insert the detonator before we insert pins and stuff. And remove the safety, which is this pin here. And once it drops, the needle will fall down, hit the detonator, and it'll set the whole the chain reaction to set the whole thing off. As you can see here, this is the OFZs. They are typically used for the BMPs. They're the 30mm. We take them apart, and then we'll convert them to like drone drop munitions. Everything here is like we try to be more like very economical as possible. You know, if it can be used, it will be used. There is little to no waste.
How much comes out of here in a day?
It really depends on what we can get. You know, it's the supply is kind of iffy, so sometimes you just get different type of munitions and we have to work with it, like 40mm, like the 40 mics. We also like work with like RPG warheads. I think like we also work with like the anti-tank missiles, for example the Javelin down there. Basically whatever munitions we can get on, and we don't just use the munition itself. We also use like different type of hardwares, like from like machines, to like make our own explosive for the drones. This is recycled from some parts of a machine, and like I said before, whatever we can like get our hands on to make the munitions, we will do it. So it's pretty simple: ball like bearings, fragmentation inside, explosive, and then detonator, and it's like the same. It's just like you set it off, it explodes, you get fragmentation. Here's a prime example: the 3D printing. We will give them constant feedback, and there's always constant like innovation update to make it as best as possible. And for example, here's the converted warhead. This is from the 30mm, and then we use the fin stabilizers, the plastic caps, and safety. And this will be provided to the drone team, and they'll use it.
What's your motivation for coming out and joining the fight?
To be honest, the Russians are really just a bunch of pricks, you know. That's why, really. Alright, this right here, as you can see, is a razor and a camera. But both of them are booby-trapped. Inside both of them there's plastic explosives.
So these were Russian-planted booby traps?
This is like what they will make, yes.
Jesus.
Take a look at that.
They put an explosive in that?
Yeah, they're just a bunch of assholes. That's what we're dealing with.
І в основному стараємося до перемоги. Ми що тут знаходимося ближче до фронту, тому що ближче їхати нашим хлопцям по боєприпасам. Так як ви всі знаєте, що зараз роблять боєприпаси, ми їх в основному переробляємо і не даємо вход хлопцям, тому що поки ми самі не перевіримо їх. Якщо провірили, вони на полігоні працюють, тоді ми даємо хлопцям, вони їдуть і відпрацьовують вже по противнику. Так, переробляємо все повністю, як ви бачите. Не стоїть на місці, нові технології, нові інструменти, нові люди. І треба навчати, тому що війна не скоро закінчиться. Вона ще буде, не знаю скільки, ніхто не знає, а нам працювати довго прийдеться. Якось так.